Hello everyone, I am Manav, and in this video we are going to learn about habitat and the adaptation of different type of animals. So without wasting any time, we are going to start this video in 1 second. Let's begin with the basic definition of the habitat and the adaptation. Am I right? Absolutely. So let's begin with the habitat. What do you mean by habitat? Am I right? So habitat is a place. It is a type of place where an animal is naturally found. Where a particular animal, I'm not just talking about animals. Am I right? I'm not just talking about animals. I'm also including plants. So I think now that confusion is sorted out. So what is habitat? Habitat is a place, is a particular area, a wide particular area in which a particular plant, a particular species or species of a particular plant and a species of particular animal is found. This is what you mean by habitat. Now, if I say cactus is also found in Antarctica, I am really sure that you are going to say it is absolutely wrong. I'm right? It is absolutely wrong. If I say our camels are found in a desert, it is absolutely right. It is absolutely right. So this is what habitat. When the habitat of camel is desert, habitat of our I'm not getting that word. Yes, cactus. Habitat of cactus is also same as camel, desert. We can take example of pine tree. A very common example. Pine tree. The habitat of pine tree is mountains. Am I right? That mountains. So mountains is the habitat of our pine tree. Yak. The habitat of yak is also mountain. Penguins. If I say penguins live, or in simple word, habitat of the penguins is camel. The habitat of penguins is desert. I'm really sure that you're going to say that it is absolutely wrong. We know that they are mainly found in Antarctica and Arctic. I'm right? Absolutely. Very well. Now, after this, if I are going to another topic, that is nothing but adaptation. So what do you mean by adaptation? What do you mean by adaptation? Adaptation is nothing but the ability of a plant or of an animal to live, to survive in its particular habitat. Am I right? So, I have told you one thing. That what was that? What was that? Absolutely. That was our. I forgot. Yes, cactus. Cactus has spines. Rather having. Oh, sorry. It does not have leaves. Rather, it have spines. Am I right? That thing, that is adaptation. And why it have this spines? It have spines to reduce water loss through transpiration. Transpiration. This is a type of adaptation. This is a kind of adaptation of our desert plant. I'm right. I'm right. I'm right. Not. Absolutely. After this, there are two types of habitat. Please listen me carefully. There are two types of habitat. For those are aquatic habitat and terrestrial habitat. We are gonna only learn about the terrestrial habitat in this video, but I'll also give a little overview of our aquatic habitat. I'm right. So, terrestrial habitat means, please listen me carefully. Terrestrial habitat mean the habitat, the place that is on land, that is not on air, that is not on water. It is just on land. It is just on land. I'm right. So, now our aquatic habitat is, I think everyone who is watching this video can make the sense of what I am talking about. Aquatic animal, we know, the animal that usually lives in the our water. Am I right? So our aquatic habitat mean the habitat, the place that is on water or that is in the water. Let's move on to the types and the kind of terrestrial habitat. So the kind or the types of terrestrial habitat are mountain, desert, and rainforest, grassland, polar region. First, let's begin with our what was that? Mountain. That I said in first. So mountain. When I used to talk about mountain, I think of usually think of Mount Everest. we think of Mount Everest, and if I tell you about a simple our definition of the mountains, it would be like mountains are high altitude area. This you have also learned in your SST, or we can say geography class, geography chapter, geographical factor of diversity. I'm right, you can make the sense. So after that we got that mountain are high altitude areas, and there is not much rain. Temperature is mainly cold, and another thing is we are gonna learn about in now we are gonna learn about adaptation in the plants and animals. First, we'll continue with the plants. So the plant leaves. The plant are not too much tall. They are not too much tall. They are just small and small. They are just not too much tall. They are not too much tall. They are just small and small. And it is like the shape of the mountain trees are like this. Why like this? A reason? Any reason behind this? Yes. So that is, there is mainly snowfall, Shimla. Make the sense? So when the snow used to come on them, if the snow will it will only place like this on the leaves. So leaves not get much space to transpirate that thing, or to for the process of transpiration. Is right? Absolutely. So they have like this sliding structure. Mainly you'll find this sliding structure, and the leaves are also like flexible. Why? To slide up the snow, and to do the process of photosynthesis also, and to do the process of transpiration. And the animals are mainly, they have fur on them to become warmer. After that, let's move on to the desert. If I wanna go on the climatic condition of the desert. So first, windy, very much windy. Second, dry. Third, hot. It is hot in temperature. So now it is hot in temperature, very less rainfall. Rainfall is very less, near 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter, very less. 21 centimeter is rainfall. So the plant will not got much water for the process of photosynthesis. Now what they will do? For this problem, the plants of the desert, they have a very well prepared adaptations. First is in our cactus, that it has spines. Its leaves are changed to spines, and they that make it it reduces the process of transpiration. There will be less transpiration, less reduction of water, and that water can be used in the process of photosynthesis. So after that, there are also, yes, one thing, that the leaves of the plant of the desert, they are very small in size, minimized in size. Why? This answer is assembly as the spine's answer. I'm not going to repeat it again and again. And now let's move on to the rainforest. Rainforest is our rainy forest, dense forest with tall trees and rainy, greeny. So rainforest is found between the equator, between the Tropic of Capricorn and at the Tropic of Cancer. That is a tropical forest. They are also known as tropical forest or rainforest. After this, anything left? Yes, there is. Rainforest climatic condition 200 centimeter, near 200 centimeter rainfall. Second, not too much dry. Third, not too much windy. Like this. So I hope, friend, you understand that today's no topic. Because polar region is left. Polar region is a little important, so please understand it. Polar regions. Polar region are too much cold. Sometimes it goes to minus 80 degrees. Our polar region are they're situated at South Pole and North Pole. At the North Pole, it is Arctic. At the South Pole, it is Antarctica. So I hope, friend, you understand that today's topic. Our topic is completed. I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you.